This is a tutorial on how to do some individual crochet soft locks. So let's jump right into this video. First thing you want to do is just part off a back section of the hair. Grab some shine and gem and apply it to the parts. And you just want to get your parting comb and you just want to start sectioning off the hair and applying shine and jam. And making sure that you put that shine and jam at the bottom as well. The next thing you want to do is start the box braiding process, and you just want to box braid the hair, creating 3 strands. And I'm just showing you the 3 strands. Grab your crochet needle, add the crochet soft lock onto the crochet needle, slide it through 1 strand of the hair like I'm doing right here, and then you just want to move that soft lock out the way and continue the box braiding process like I'm doing right here. I'm giving you a close-up so you can see exactly how to achieve this. Once that is done, the first one will be completed, and then you can just work on the second one, and I'm just showing you the same process of adding that soft lock. I'm gonna give you another close-up right here. So you start off box braiding, get your crochet needle, add the soft lock to the crochet needle, and then you just want to add it to 1 strand of the box braiding, and then you just want to continue that box braiding process all the way down. Once that's done, you just want to move on to the next one, and this is the last one on this row, and it's just continuing the process like I did on the other ones. And once I get done with the whole head, we're gonna go in and start the wrapping process. So this is how it's looking once all of them is installed, all the soft locks. I'm just showing you how the parting is looking and a front view of how her hair is looking as well. Okay, so you just want to grab some wrapping hair, some afro wrapping hair, and then you just want to crochet that in at the base of her hair. And then you just want to kind of pull it so you can just start wrapping the hair around the natural hair and also around the soft lock to create a smooth finishing. So you want to make sure that you wrapping tightly and making sure that you wrapping flat, and you just want to continue that process all the way down the soft lock like I'm doing right here. The more you do this, the easier it will get. I just kind of slowed it down so you can see how I do it, and then I will also show you once you get down to the bottom of the soft lock what to do with the remaining of the hair. And you just want to start wrapping that upward just to give it a secure lock. It's not going anywhere. So at the end, just palm roll it, and yeah, that is it. So once again, I'm just going to show you a few more times of how to achieve that smooth look at the beginning of the soft lock by wrapping the soft locks. So this is the last one on that row that I'll be doing, and this is how it should be looking. Once you have completed all the install and the wrapping, this is how it should be looking. But add some Nairobi hair foam to the hair, sit up under the dryer for about 20 minutes, and this is the finished look. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great, blessed, productive day.